Also, Al-Sadia is not here, but Muhammad Rifki is here, right? Muhammad Rifki is here. Anditya is here. Silka is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Al-Sadia, is Al-Sadia here? Al-Sadia is not here. Is Naila here? Naila Muna? Naila Muna is not here. Nastiti Aulia. Halo. Nastiti Aulia is not here. Michael. Michael?
Here, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Patan Naufal Ridwan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Patan is here. Aisyara Hasana. Is Aisyara Hasana here? Aisyara Hasana is not here. Is Satrio here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Rahmat Ryan, Naufaldi Putra.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ola Alexandra.
Present, ma'am.
Thank you. Nabila Alia Diva. Is Nabila Alia Diva here? No. Muhammad Wildan. Is Muhammad Wildan here? Not here. Muhammad Afril.
Here, ma'am.
Joan Christine Sirait.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Elisa Nalda Shahab.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, I just see I don't see the whole face. I just see your eyebrow. Okay, Elisa Nalda Shahab. Pala Errol Marsyah Putra.
Present, ma'am.
Bonaulgi Maurhilas Ephraim Lombal Tobing. Lumban Tobing.
Present.
Where are you?
Oh, I'm here, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Bahi Syarif.
Present, ma'am.
Bahi Syarif. Okay. Afarsi. Is Afarsi here?
Present, ma'am.
Afarsi. Afarsi. Where is Afarsi? Okay. Putri Sifanda Zahra Bakri. Halo Putri. Putri is not here. Nyimas Ratu. Nyimas Ratu is not here. Akmarani.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Wang.
Present, miss.
Okay, I don't see your face. Okay, thank you. Yanjuko.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Hafiz Rabani Dahlius.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Nadira Alisa Putri.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Nadira Putri Kurnianto.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Almaira. Is Almaira here? Almaira, halo. Siti Anissa.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Gedalia Sitohang,
Present, ma'am.
Galuh Sekar Kinanti. Halo Galuh. Galuh is not here. Erlinda Fauzia Sudewo. Erlinda is not here. Reynardo Stefan.
I'm here, Bu.
Okay. Dananto Wibowo. Dananto Wibowo is not here. Revandra Aurelio Kusuma Yuda.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, now I will call again. Is Alsadia here?
Excuse me, Bu, did you call my name yet?
Who are you? Nabila?
Nabila Aliadifa. My connection is so bad, Bu, because I'm on the way.
Nabila, what is your number? Nabila. Okay, you are
Yes,
here.
sampai-
Okay. Okay, I'm still missing Alsadia, Naila Muna, Nastiti, Aisyara, Muhammad Wildan, Putih, Nyimas, Almaira, Galuh, Erlinda, and Dananto. Okay, now we are going to proceed with our topics today. And I want to share screen. Okay, this is our topics for week 13 to 14 from 13 of May until 2024. So we have this Mas2 in which it is explained in Bahasa Indonesia as well as in English. So I presume that you have no problem with the topics and the elaboration. And I already reminded you several weeks ago concerning the massive open online course. So the massive open online course, you have to ask, you are obliged to select the massive open online course with the topic, any topics that is beneficial for the student. So the one that I mentioned concerning massive open online course is something that you are taking online. This is the massive means everybody can learn at the same time asynchronously, and then you read all the materials or you follow the video that is given by the lecturers, and then it might have some obligation concerning the MOOCs in which it might have a combination of lectures, video, or slides. And then I want all of you, don't forget to take the screenshot as a proof that you are taking the massive online course, and then the hour that you are taking, because at least you have to spend 10 hours for the MOOCs. So you can have several MOOCs, combine it into one unity of duration, if you are taking only one MOOC that needs only 2 hours, then you have to add some other 8 hours from other MOOCs. And it doesn't necessarily that you have to have the certificate, because the certificate might need a payment that is not cheap. So we do not want you to pay more of your money for the MOOC. If you have any limited money, you are allowed to take just the screenshot, but make sure that it proves that you are following and learning from the MOOC, and showing about the time hours that you spent, at least 10 hours as an accumulation of all MOOCs that you are taking. And then give the report in the form of report is a combination of JPEG or drawing, and put it in the words, and then explain what is your MOOC about. Okay, you can have from LinkedIn Learning or from the University of Indonesia. And I noticed one of the students asked me concerning the amount of time and the duration that exceed the time limit that is given for this week. I was asked by one student, because the duration of the MOOC that is given from the University of Indonesia will end on August. It's not possible, because you have to end this semester for the MOOC. So it's better if you find that kind of MOOC, even though maybe you are interested in, but please replace with other MOOCs that is manageable in terms of your time, in terms of the duration, and in terms of your capability of paying that MOOC for yourself. Okay. Is there any student that have difficulties concerning the MOOC? Please let me know. Okay, you can ask through the WhatsApp group, or here directly, or through the chat box. And you can see the procedure for registering on LinkedIn Learning on the following page. You can click to the view guide. You have the view guide here. You can click yourself. Okay, if you are selecting the LinkedIn, okay, and then you have to make sure that the final project topic and MOOC of each group. So you have the focus group. Each group member are discussed with the group in the week 13 and 14 discussion forum, then reported in the form of an LTM or individual assignment, at least 300 words, and uploaded to the week 13 and 14 LTM collection point. Okay, you can see here the collection point here. Okay, and you have, this is a discussion. This is the syllabi of week 13 and week 14. And this is the LinkedIn Learning registration guide for UI account. This is the discussion forum of week 13 and 14. And this is peer assessment forum. And then this is the materials that is given for this week 13 and 14. And the collection point of week 13 individual assignment about MOOC topic. Please write down 300 to 500 word essay about the MOOC or MOOCs. So it means It can be more than one MOOC if your duration of the MOOC is less than 10 hours. The MOOC that you choose and the reason why you choose them. So you have to have the reason why you select that MOOC. Okay. And then this is the week 4 individual assignment MOOC concept map. So you have two tasks. The week 14 individual assignment MOOC concept map. We already learned about the concept map, in which it's not a radial one. It's not a mind map, but it's a concept map because it turns to create an action plan. Okay, and then the individual concept map, content of the MOOC that you have followed should have proofs or some proofs. The certificate or research notification or your activity record, your print screen, etc. to prove that you are enrolling in the MOOC at least for 10 hours. Okay, is there any question? Okay, so as everybody now you can see we have the materials. So this is the materials that is given on week 13 and 14. So you can download all the materials of this week assignment. This is what we call Pedoman PKM 2021. This is the program Kreativitas Mahasiswa or Student Creativity Program that is given by the Ministry of Education. And if you are interested to enroll in this competition, you can download this one, and then you can continue after the ICB class is over, because you can have this kind of competition. So you have maybe some network around Indonesia who from other university who also enroll in this competition. So we try to click this one. Unfortunately, it's in Bahasa Indonesia, but you can translate that using the Google Translate because it's a written one. Okay, so this is the public guide by the Ministry of Education. It was made in 2021, but it's still relevant. So usually it has some goals like SDGs. We already have that one from the previous weeks. And then we have several books, like book 1 about the general information, and then about the execution of this PKM or Student Creativity Program. And then book 2 is about the Student Creativity Program in research. Book 3 is about Student Creativity Program of Entrepreneurship, and book 4 is about the Student Creativity for Public Service, in which all students are also given a chance to contribute to the society. Okay, and then we have also book 5. It's about student creativity program for IPTEC, so science and technology. And then book 6 is about student creativity program about your karya cipta. So you have to make something karsa cipta. So you create something new. And then book 7 is about your futuristic constructive idea. And then book 8 is about your idea, the written idea. So it's something that is maybe not futuristic and constructive, but you have something idea that is currently very, very relevant. And then book 9 is about article ilmiah, or you have to have like how to write down as a scholar. Okay, so this is the one that you can apply after you are finishing your own MOOC. You might be interested in this one, and then you also can submit. You can follow the link, and you can find from the Google about how this elaboration is or this program is about. So it's a chance for you to know about other activity as a national program, not only from the University of Indonesia. Okay, and then we have this is an election session based on massive open online course. Okay, you can check yourself about the massive open online course. Unfortunately, still in Bahasa Indonesia. If you have difficulty, Yan Juko, if you have difficulty, you just copy paste this in a Google Translate, and then you are able to follow what is inside. This is the recommendation of MOOC. This is the MOOC platform that you can select, such as the Coursera for campus, but might have some cost because it might not free, but you can try. If you have to pay, then you just do the print screen when you are taking the MOOC. Okay. So this is the one that you can follow, the MOOC from Coursera. And then from the University of Indonesia, you can also from LinkedIn and Microsoft Learn. You can also print screen your activity, as I mentioned before, and make a report. So it's not compulsory that you have a certificate once again, because we do not want you to pay more for the certificate. Unless you have plenty of money, you can do it. It's better if you have a certificate. Okay. So this is the one that you can use as a guide how you do your MOOC assignment. Okay, don't forget to put the reference. I noticed some student forgetting putting the reference inside, because if you forget putting the reference, I will reduce the score. Okay, so this is the one that you can see. This is a table. And then that's it. And then this is the MOOC for ICB class. We have a video. We can see together this one. Okay. Okay, we have seen this MOOC, and then is there any question or discussion from you? I noticed some of the students already taken the MOOC from last week. Okay, I noticed nobody answering my question. I presume that you already know what is the task for this week and next Thursday. And then I want to ask whether you are who are coming late. Is any of you coming late? Because I will put a print screen of the student who are at this class at the time. Okay, I share at the WhatsApp group. And I want to make sure if you have any objection concerning our meeting today. Okay, I already share about our presence, the student present data that
Ma'am.
Is any of you are having objection or you are late? If you are late, you can text me at the WhatsApp group. Okay, is Aishara, are you coming late?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am, I want to ask regarding the MOOC.
Okay.
Do all the FG member have to
Can Aishara, can you show your face, please? Is it possible?
uh sorry, I think my room is a bit messy.
Okay. What is your problem? What is your question?
Do all the FG members have to participate in the same MOOC?
No. You can do individually, but for the group assignment, if it's very beneficial for your final project, usually every member of the group will contribute to the final project task. Okay, so you can create a story based on your MOOC that contribute which part of the final project that your group already decided to give a performance draft. So this is kind of like a performance draft from your group before you are making a video for each group. So the maximum video duration is 20 minutes. So at least at the end of the draft for the video, you can put that as a reference. Okay, is it clear, Aishara?
It's clear, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, is there any other question concerning the MOOC? So because this is the week 13 and 14 in which there's a problem actually concerning the duration of the ICB class, because it will overlap with your final exam. I notice this is a problem because okay, we should have an adjustment. The week 16 is at the same time with your final exam for the KKI or regular class. So it's impossible during your final exam you also have the ICB class. So we will adjust the uploading of your final project at the week 15. If not, you will have difficulties to adjust with your final exam from other classes. So we might have a adjustment for the week 13 and 14 is become like today is asynchronous with the final uploading at the same time. You don't change that. But the week 13, the essay 500 to 1000 topic of MOOC is submitted in the collection point. And then week 14 at the concept map MOOC. And then week 15 is about your plan for final projects. So it will ease your time management because as I mentioned here, maybe you will find it difficult for you because this is the class that was developed by the University of Indonesia. They did not pay attention to the schedule from the faculty. So it's kind of like something that is not supporting one another. Sometimes we have to select which one is the best for us. So this is the one. Can you see the week 15 to 5 and 16? Hello? From 27 May to 7 of June, we have the week 15 to 16 is your final completion week. And we want to put it earlier. Is there any objection from you? Hello? Okay, once again, you might have difficulties because on the week 16 is the week for final exam. Okay, see, we try to make it easier for you, but you have to work harder because you will miss 1 week from ICB class. Okay, I will give elaboration later from the AMAS adjustment to the WhatsApp group. Okay, and so this is going to the final project week. We have this one, and then you have 2 collection point, the move proof of attendance or certificate. It is here. And then the final project group draft or plan is here. Okay, because this is the certificate. Okay, it will end on Monday, June 10. So you still have 27 days and 15 hours. Okay, and then you will have this final project group draft or plan. You should submit earlier because we do not want you to have difficulties of the schedule that is at the same time exactly with your final week test. Okay. I presume that all of the students follow what I'm saying at the moment, and because this week should be asynchronous, but you have to do, and on Thursday we will have an offline class, but we will proceed faster than the week 14, we will elaborate the week 15 ahead of time. So you will have more time for your final test study and final test schedule. Okay. So you can click here a must to, and please make sure that all students do the task completed. I already grade last week, but I have not published yet. Maybe this afternoon I will publish your activity, and so you can calculate yourself whether what grade that you are going to receive at the end of the semester. And I noticed some students just missed the assignment, and those who are not making the assignment, I will give 0 for your participation, because I already give you time. Even some revision are given for all the groups. I don't want to give a special treatment for any student, because it's not fair for other students if I will give extra time or extra revision. So it should be for all groups. Okay, because I want to be fair with all of you. As I mentioned, I already elaborate and then do my task as a lecturer and give the scores as detailed as possible. So you can see your own score, and you can also the weight of each score. So I still have the column that is leave blank, because it's concerning your participation, your discipline, and something like that. That will increase your grade if you are someone that is all active, participating in the whole class. I will give my score based on how often I see you in class, your participation in the AMAS, and also in offline class as well, and AMAS, and the discussion and your behavior in class. So something that is also a combination of objectivity and subjectivity of the lectures. But I'm trying to be fair with all of you, okay? So I don't want to spend much of time for today's lecture. If you still have some question, please let me know at now. I will give you time. If not, then I will end this meeting, because I noticed some of you might have some other activity. So is it okay if I turn the end button? Hello? I want your response,
Yes,
please.
no. Yes, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if it's okay, then I presume that you already know what is your task until the end of the semester. If you still have some question, please ask me through the WhatsApp, okay? Okay, if you agree, I will I will end this meeting, and so I will see you on Thursday morning. We will arrange. I want to know your preparation for your final project and your MOOCs, and then after that, we will do faster than the ABMAS 2, because of the problem with the schedule with your final test. Okay. Okay, I'll see you then on Thursday. And take care and stay healthy and happy. Okay. Okay. See you then. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, welcome.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Michael. Can I ask you something?
Yeah, Michael, what are you asking?
So from the MOOC learning, right, man?
Yes.
I thought in the material in the guide
Uh-huh.
that I have to fill in a form to enable my LinkedIn learning, right?
Yeah.
Yes. and I've already filled in that form like 3 days ago, but I haven't got the LinkedIn Learning. So I
Okay.
cannot access the MOOC in LinkedIn.
So you already access the MOOC?
No, ma'am. I mean, like, I can't access the MOOC in LinkedIn because like it's supposed to be. No, I mean like I haven't been given, ma'am. Yeah, the LinkedIn Learning, but I've already filled in the form. The
Okay.
required form. Yeah.
Just to try the best possible way of solving the problem. Okay, let me know what is the problem. You can also write down in your story concerning the MOOC what is the beneficial of the MOOC for you and the problem that you face concerning the MOOC. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so
So-
much, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you and good luck with your MOOC. Is there any other question?
I think it's clear, Bu.
Okay. Now I can end the meeting. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Thank you, Bu.
Thank you,
Okay.
bro.
Thank you. See you.